second video that I'm making in the series of Instagram photos and Instagram tips. Today I want to focus on taking pictures in common places. Of course, you can take a picture anywhere in Italy, let's say, and it just looks amazing. But sometimes you're not traveling, so you can take pictures at home or right around your house and make it look really nice. So I actually use my iPhone when I take pictures. A lot of people ask me if I use cameras, and I don't. I use my iPhone. This is the iPhone 8 Plus. Yeah, this is the iPhone 8 Plus, and it's really nice. The first step that I'm going to give you, which is the most important, is to clean your camera before you take a picture. I always do that. I take a little bit of my clothes, and that way it makes such a huge difference. I'll show you two pictures side by side. The difference between when it's not clean and it has like your fingerprint on it and just oils from your hand, and then one from it being really clean, and it's a huge difference. This is a picture for when it's dirty, and this is a picture for when it's clean. So you can see the huge difference between the two pictures. It really does make a huge difference. So the second tip that I have is to try to go outside. Here in Canada it's really cold, but I still take pictures outside. We're gonna go outside in front of our house. We have a really nice orange door and garage door, and I usually use that. But if it's not something nice, you can make your outfit look really nice. So you can wear patterns, you can wear different colors, whatever you like, and take pictures there. Let's go outside and I'll show you how I take my pictures there. So we just took a few pictures, and I thought I wanted it to only be the orange background, so we took some really close up, which we will show you. But then I realized I think if you put a few objects in there, like the pots and that little greenery from our neighbor on a bit of a window, it will look nicer, and I think it did. So we'll show you the difference between the two pictures. Also, if you're wearing a hat in pictures, take it off and get some without it, just in case.
Give me like candy, run up the racks, track me, I'll run up the racks like an athlete, big facts.
You don't have to be somewhere amazing to take a nice picture. You can make the picture look nice with what you have. So we just took one outside. We're gonna go inside and take another one. The third thing is taking a picture inside. Sometimes maybe it's raining or the weather is too cold and you want to take a picture inside. And I would say pick an area that has maybe one tone of color, either white or like grays, or just one color. Make your outfit kind of similar to that, and it'll just make it aesthetically really pleasing, and you can take pictures there. Of course, clean your camera before you take it. Don't forget that. That's a huge tip. So make sure you clean your camera. When you are in a place that's not very special, make sure your outfit is super cute and you have patterns in it. And lastly, take a picture in an area that has one tone color, so it's aesthetically pleasing. Okay?
That's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe.
Bye. Peace out.
Peace out.